We all know as facility managers that the one thing we can't control is Mother Nature. And this data center, located in the greater New York City area, learned it the hard way in late 2008. A large rainstorm moved into town, creating flash flooding and pooling water. The result of this, water started to penetrate from the floor above, down through the ceiling, into the data center, taking with it ceiling panels and tiles. At this point, Facilities has two jobs: divert and remove water, and to also protect its critical equipment. To protect the critical equipment, Facilities went around immediately and tried to cover with plastic tarps, drop cloths, and sheets any and all critical equipment that they can reach and get to safely. But unfortunately, this was not enough. A significant amount of critical equipment was lost, as well as downtime in services was recognized. So now, let's take a fresh approach and take a look at protection of investments. This client had had enough of doing things the regular old way and called in the experts from Turtle Shell Products. Turtle Shell's patent-pending protective shell can be custom engineered for any situation. If you need to attach to an existing ceiling, perhaps attached to a cabinet, call in Turtle Shell so they can examine and implement their designs to your particular needs to help protect your critical systems and equipment. That's right, the very same data center was hit with another torrential downpour. But this time, because Turtle Shell had been installed, everything is going to remain dry. This UPS system was custom engineered to fit up against a wall and protect these UPSs which were lost in a previous flood. You can see the curtain is there to help protect any sort of splashing that might try to get into the face of the UPS. Look at some of the damage. You have ceiling tiles, wet, soggy, heavy, falling down. Turtle Shell is there to protect this critical equipment. In some of these areas, you can see that water continued to drip and come down over critical equipment for hours after the rain had stopped. In this video here, you see it still dripping. But once where there was no Turtle Shell and this water would have been dripping on top of equipment, thanks to the quick thinking facility management group after the last storm to get Turtle Shell installed, all of this equipment stayed running and operational with no service downtime. Some of this equipment which was replaced before is still working after probably what was an even greater flood. This is a great shot of what seems to be a very thankful piece of equipment, that it is totally covered from the elements above and anything on the side which may have disturbed it. If you'd like a free evaluation and a site inspection to see if Turtle Shell products might be for your facilities, please reach out and give us a call.